brand spanking new at the time, 4Runner. We're going to show you how to get that cabin filter out. It's there in the dash somewhere. Let's get it. Step 1, open door. Step 2, open other door. Step 3, open the third door. And behind door number 3 is another door. Now, it does say up, so that's good. Now, which way is actually easier? This way or this way? We gotta squeeze this one. This one seemed easier. Okay, oh gee, it has to be this way because these guides go in there. And now we have a filter in our hands. And I've done this mistake before. Didn't realize that that's a tray. And you squeeze this and get it out. You see? How nice. Now, unlike Kia, you'd have to throw this whole thing away and buy a new one. But this is not a Kia, so... Oh, part number. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Replace only. What is this? It doesn't say it on here. It must say on the tray. I'm gonna get it all the way. Come on. I'll fight with that. Oh, here we go. That's why. I'm getting caught over here. Again, it's a little tray it sits in. You see? Now, what's silly is, does it tell us what part number this is? It does not. What? Is there a part number anywhere? Denso Corporation. No. No way. Let's try this again. Is that the part number? No. Maybe it is. I gotta look it up. I'll put the link in the description now. This is replace only. That's all it says. What does it say? CJCL3. That's all I see. Let's try this side. Now, you don't have to watch the rest of this just to do this, but put it right back. Like an oven. There you go. Bake it in the oven. So, all the doors go back. Line that guy up and push in. And there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.